Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is November 29th, 2020, and I wanted to give an update on how my strawberry plants in the old greenhouse are doing. This one here is the tresca strawberry, and you can see right here it seems to be a heavy yielding plant. I haven't really gotten to taste this one yet. I had picked one off, but unfortunately it was too overripe. I had missed it in its prime, so I never got to really taste what this one here tastes like. But so far from what I'm seeing, it appears to be a very heavy yielding plant when it takes off. Now, if you're new to my channel and you've never seen my channel before, I started these from seed back in like December and January, and I have 4 different varieties here. I have the tresca, I have the Alpine Alexandria strawberry. I do really like those. Now they are a smaller strawberry and they can kind of get mushy, but I still like their flavor. And then I have the Temptation strawberry, and I have the Toscana strawberry, which is, this is a pink blooming strawberry. This one here blooms pink. So we did get to taste the Temptation. My parents love it. I love that one. That one's definitely going to be a keeper. It's not a very heavy running plant, but I am going to try and get some runners off of it so I can start some more of those. But really nice fruit on it. I love the flavor of it. So this is definitely a plus and a keeper for us, this one here. And I have another tresca strawberry here, and this one here is just starting to bloom. But again, I'm noticing that it has a lot of blooms on it, and I'm really looking forward to getting to try this one when I can get it where it's not overripe. I was trying to watch them to figure out for this particular one here when to harvest it, and I just let it go a little bit too far, so it didn't taste the best. But these here are the Alpine Alexandria strawberries that I transplanted in the video when I showed you how to transplant the strawberries. They are starting to take off and grow here. Now, I like this one. My parents don't, so it's not one I'm going to be growing too much of, but I'm going to keep, enough growing for myself. But the Temptation strawberry, I highly recommend that one. I love the flavor of it. It was a nice berry on it. I believe the berries will start getting larger now. I did feed them with the Eco Scraps All-Purpose 555 plant food, and they do get the Sea Magic plant food. So they really grew nice, and they're growing nice and full, especially for what they were when I had first transplanted them, for how small they are. But when I get to taste the tresca, I'm going to come back and tell you what I think of that one then, and if it's going to be a keeper or not. The Toscana is blooming. I have not gotten to taste that one yet, so I'm still waiting for that one there. Now, these do get light from a grow light. It's the Shanxi LED grow light, and they do get light in the morning and in the late afternoon into the night from that. And these things have just taken off, blooming and growing like crazy from that. And this is exactly what I was hoping that this light would do with these. It did great with the tomato plants, and I wanted to try it on the strawberries, and it definitely is doing very well for them. And I'll put a link down in the description for that light. I've used it on a lot of different vegetables, and I really like it for that purpose. I mean, you can see how much these things grew, and they're just absolutely gorgeous. Nice dark green color, and they're loaded with blooms, and I've been picking strawberries off of them. I have some more to harvest off. Now, I do have playlists on my channel for how to start strawberries from seed, how to grow them and all that. You can see here, that's a tresca strawberry right there, just starting to develop. And it's so nice to have your own fruit and to be able to grow your own fruit and have it to eat. you know what you use on it, you know what kind of water you're using on it, and I prefer homegrown fruit. Now, I do keep these moist. I don't want them soggy. I just want to keep my soil moist on them. And the temperature can fluctuate in the greenhouse, so I can't really say the exact temperature of the greenhouse because it changes. The greenhouse is heated, and we do run fans in here and different things. Strawberry plants can get aphids, so I always do keep some neem oil on hand. I'll put a link down in the description for the neem oil that I use. It's just something that I keep on hand because if you see a problem, you want to take care of it as quickly as you can. I always encourage natural things like the ladybugs and different things, but if they can't handle it, or if something's going to go out of control, then I do use neem oil. So I just wanted to give you this quick video update. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye!